Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. It's a brand new channel. My name's Peter, I'm a photographer. Work mostly in the hospitality industry, hotels, lifestyle, travel. Got to travel to Poland recently, which was my 38th country I've worked in. Very exciting. Anyway, first video today will be a classic, super nerdy unboxing video. I've had this old Intel-based MacBook Pro since 2017. It's getting very sluggish now, so I thought I would trade it in for a brand new 14-inch M3 based MacBook Pro, space black, 32 gigs of RAM, 36 rather. So keep watching for that unboxing. Very exciting. It's due today, due in about 1 hour. So very excited about that. Yeah, please subscribe, so I'll be producing a lot of other videos in the coming weeks, including a comparison between this, my trusty old 16 gigabytes of RAM, Intel i7 based 2017 MacBook Pro, and the brand new M3 MacBook Pro, comparing things like Lightroom, Photoshop, see if it's been worth the $2,500 I paid for it. We'll see, hopefully it will be. But yeah, comparing things like infusing images, speed of export, just general retouching, speed comparisons. So yeah, please subscribe, and that'll be coming soon. Okay, it's finally arrived, looking beautiful, as you'd expect. Let's get right into it, shall we? Okay, let's open this bad boy. So, first things first, there is a hole in the box there, I don't know if you can see. So, a bit disappointing from Apple there, you know, normally they're known for their reliability and quality, but it's fine. It's got these two strips here. I'm just gonna remove these. It comes off quite easily. Let's do the next one. Okay. Assume it just comes out like this. Okay. There we go. Little flap here. Very nice. Quality you'd expect from that already. Oh, stretch out. It comes off. Really nice. First impressions, really nice finish. You've got the kind of engraved MacBook Pro there, as you can see. It's rather nice. It's already much lighter than my 15-inch 2017 MacBook Pro. Okay, let's just put this here. We have got a few cables. Guess that's the MagSafe power cable. Yep. Really nice. Got a little thing here, I guess that's the manual, the warranties, things like that. It's nicely done. Yep. Plug. Yep. And there it is. MacBook Pro. Just going to compare these side by side. Okay, let's open this baby up. Okay, got a nice screen protector here. Already just on the logo there, I can see the clarity of the screen compared to the 2017 model. I must say I will miss the touch bar, but maybe I won't, let's see. But I know personally in Photoshop, it's super useful just to quickly increase brush size, increase opacity, things like that. So I'll be interested to see how I cope with that. I'm sure I'll cope, you know. You have to adapt, right? This trackpad's a little smaller than I'm used to. I think the other one's about this big. Well, let's see, it's right here. Yep, I'd say that's a good 30% smaller. There you go. Okay, let's get into this. So, how do I... Here we go. So I'll just reposition that there so you can see it properly. Okay, we're on some kind of accessibility screen. Yeah, vision, motor, hearing. Don't need any of that. Not now, thank you. Okay, Wi-Fi, yeah, I mean, we'll just do this later, right? Okay, we're finally at the desktop view after many little windows and screens asking me various things, but it's alright. These things must be done. While I was doing that, by the way, I set up this, the power adapter. So small compared to my old one. I mean, teeny tiny. It's really nice. I think this is only 30 watt compared to my old Mac's 70 watt, but I'll check that. Hi guys, Future Peter here. So yeah, I got that all wrong. The old laptop used a 87 watt charger. The new one is a 70 watt charger. Anyway, it's very quick, it's a lot lighter. It's nice. The thing I normally have is my icon array on the right of the screen, so I'll have to change all these. But you know, all in good time. All in good time. Anyway, I'll give a quick summary while I mess around in the background with various trackpad and screen settings. All in all, it feels incredibly solidly built, more so than my 2017 one. A nice chunky screen without being bulky. I think it's exactly the same thickness overall. The trackpad is smaller, but you know, that goes with the smaller screen and body, so I don't care too much. Lack of touch bar, it's going to piss me off, but especially for photo editing, that might be the only one. I'll normally hook it up to my big screen anyway with a mouse. The screen is sensational, it's beautiful 3024 by 1964 resolution, an incredible 120 Hz refresh rate, and a slightly higher pixel density than my old one too. I think 220 on the old versus 254 PPI on this one. I was also struggling big time on the old one in terms of battery life. I mean, it needed a new one for sure. I guess 6 years is an indicative lifespan for that age of MacBook Pro. I was struggling in terms of power. I couldn't preview video in Premiere Pro. It's just super choppy. I'll explain that more in a future video. But yeah, I couldn't even run Lightroom and Photoshop simultaneously. But it's like all these things, I wasn't sure what speed increase I was missing until I experienced this new one. You know, I was happy enough. Took a little longer, but hey, you know, it's fine, it worked. But this is going to speed up my workflow hugely. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, as in my next few videos I'll be doing a little more of an in-depth comparison of photo editing software, if that's your thing. Some more general speed comparisons, turning on, loading, software times. So yeah, hope you enjoyed my first video, found it vaguely useful. As I said before, did I say before? Perhaps not. So yeah, I wished I'd have seen something like this while I was deciding whether to buy a new one. So hopefully this, if you have an old computer, an old 2017, 2016, 2014 MacBook Pro, and it's getting very sluggish, I hope you can use this to make the decision and go for a new one. Anyway, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, see you next time.